When can you start charging for content? I'm going to give you my transparent opinion. In reality, I mean, anyone can charge for content. I don't really care how many followers you have. There's also the option for user-generated content, which it doesn't matter how many followers you have. But when it comes to sponsored posts, let's talk about what that looks like. I don't think it's a certain amount of followers that you need to have in order to be able to do sponsored posts with brands. I think it's when can you prove that the amount of followers you have actually cares about what you're sharing? When can you prove that you can create a great enough video that your audience is going to convert into a customer? I think for many creators, it's very difficult to create like a loyal community before you hit like 1,000 followers, but that's just my opinion, and it's not accurate for every single person's situation. But I think once you've had the experience of going from 0 to 1,000 followers, you've really started to learn like who your audience is, what your audience maybe likes, how they can become customers, like what kind of content gets them to actually convert or do something. I also would suggest doing about 3 to 5 very, very strong gifted partnerships before you actually start asking for money, because this allows you not only to get experience with actually creating this content that, again, shows, okay, I can create a video that my audience is actually going to care about enough to do something about. But I think it also gives you a lot of really good experience to reading briefs or reading contracts, or even just trying to understand how to talk about a product in a way that's organic and, again, sits well with your audience.